Hello subscribers. In today's video, we are going to look on the points why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations and how to fix it. Remember, my name is Peter John. I'm your guide, or I'm here to guide you how to do affirmations correctly, accurately, and effectively in order to get a good result. So before we dive into the video, relax your body, slow breathing. Right now, you are not here to listen. Remember, you are here to understand. Affirmations don't fail because they are weak. They fail because the subconscious mind blocks them. Today, you will discover why your subconscious resists affirmations and how to unlock real change. Your subconscious protects all the identity.
You are listening to Vocalize Victory, where words create your world.
Your subconscious mind has one job: to protect who you believe you are. If you see yourself as struggling, any affirmations about success feels like a threat. So, the mind resists it. Change feels unsafe until familiarity is replaced with repetitions. 2. Affirmations change emotional memories. Your subconscious mind rejects affirmations because affirmations change emotional memories. Your subconscious is built on memories. Remember, your subconscious is built on memories, especially emotional ones. If past experiences taught you failure, loss, or rejection, affirmations feel unrealistic. Words alone cannot overwrite emotional memory, but consistent emotional repetitions can. This is why calm, feeling-based affirmations work best. 3. Forcing affirmations creates resistance. Another reason why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations is because forcing affirmations creates resilience. When you force affirmations, it creates resistance. So avoid it. Many people force affirmations aggressively. They shout, they push, they fight their mind. But force creates tensions. Tension creates resilience. The subconscious responds to safety, not pressure. Speak affirmations gently. Let them feel natural. Step 4. Lack of embodiment. Another reason why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations, it is lack of embodiment. Affirmations are not just words, they are states of being. If your body is tense, lashed, and distracted, your subconscious is closed. But when your body is relaxed, the subconscious opens. Posture breathing, stillness. Those are silent affirmations. Point 5. Inconsistent identity signals. Another reason why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations, it is inconsistent identity signals. You may affirm success in the morning and speak doubt in the afternoon. The subconscious follows the strongest patterns. Consistency beat intensity. Remember, consistency beat intensity. One calm affirmations daily is more powerful than emotional affirmations done once. Point 6. No mental imagery. Another reason why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations is mental imagery. When you speak affirmations without mental imagery, your subconscious mind rejects your affirmations. Because the subconscious thinks in images, not languages. If you speak affirmations without seeing yourself living them, your mind struggles to accept them. You have to see it, feel it, be inside the scene. Visualization activate beliefs. Point 7. Not allowing time for integration. Another reason why your subconscious mind rejects affirmations, it is do not allowing time for integration. Every affirmations need time to integrate. So, the subconscious changes in layers, not instantly. You have to trust the process. Small shifts today creates massive results tomorrow. Here is the truth. Your subconscious is not your enemy. It is loyal to your past programming. When you speak affirmations with calm repetitions, emotional safety, visualization, and patience, your subconscious listens. Your reality changes. You don't need to force anything. You need to allow it. Breathe, relax, speak gently. Your mind is learning. So, if you listen to this video daily, your affirmations will begin to feel natural. And what feels natural becomes real. So, if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe and press on the bell icon in order to be notified the time we upload a new video like this. Remember, we upload 3 times a week. 3 times a week we upload a new video. We post a video today, but tomorrow no. So, subscribe and join our community. Thank you.